Safety first.
Safety first.
And you know how wobbly I get sometimes.
Yeah, we don't want you sliding off. That would not be good.
It would hurt.
That would ruin your day.
Hey, it'd ruin something.
Ruin mine too. It's gonna look good.
Yep.
So you like those shingles?
I do like them. I think those Atlas Pinnacle would have been better, but you know, these will be just fine. They last for 30 years. I'll be happy.
We probably won't last 30 years.
Huh?
We probably won't last 30 years.
Yeah, it's going to last till we, you know, will croak or, you know, be somebody else's problem.
Gary hopes to finish up the front part of the mobile home, so hopefully he can get that done today, and we will see you in the next video. We're planning to get back onto the camper hopefully tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. We really appreciate it. It helps out our channel.